Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Scion FRS. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Scion is a great value with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.